Vector consists of magnitude and direction and its displacement. In solving vector addition in component method, we must tabulate the given to get the resultant in the theta. We must find out the magnitude, the theta, and the x and y component. The examples we're going to solve is 15 newtons, 66.9 degrees north of west, 11 newtons, 10 degrees and south of east, and 18 newtons, 13 degrees south of west. So we already have the data for our magnitude, which is this or the magnitude, which will be put here. So to get the theta in the tabulation table, we must make a Cartesian plane, and this is the north, south, west, and east. So the first given was 66.9 degrees north of west. So it is located in the second quadrant. And the second quadrant is 180 degrees. So to solve this, it should be 180 minus 66.9. So the answer is 113.1. So we're gonna put our first theta there. Next is 10 degrees south of east. So it is located in the fourth quadrant. And fourth quadrant is 360 degrees. So theta is 350. The last is 13 degrees south of west. So it is located in the third quadrant, which is 270 degrees. So it is 257. In getting the x component, the formula is m cosine theta. And for the y component, m sine theta. The m represents the magnitude. So the m is 15. Cosine 113.1. The answer is negative 5.89. And so the process is repeated for the other. So 11 cosine 350, 10.83, 18 cosine 257, negative 4.5. For the y component, it is the same, but it is m sine theta. So m magnitude is equal to 15, sine the theta is 11, 113.1, 13.80. And the process is also repeated. So 11 sine 350, 100.91, 1.91, 18 sine 257, 17.54. Now we have to get the summation of x and y component. So we just have to add them all. So it's negative 5.89 plus 10.83 plus negative 4.05. Answer is 0.89. And also in the y component, 13.80 plus negative 1.91 plus negative 17.54. It's negative 5.65. Now we have to get the direction of the x and y component. So the x component is 0.89 and the south is, and the y is negative 5.65, because 0.89 is in the x-axis, which is here, there, the x-axis. We refer there, so it is 0.89, it's positive. So the positive of the Cartesian plane is in the east. So 0.89 is east, or the x is east. And the y component, which belongs to negative, we belong to the y-axis, which is negative. So negative 5.65 is south. There. So now we're going to find out the resultant, which the formula is, which is resultant equals a squared plus b squared. So substitute the formula. The a squared is the x component, which is 0.89, and the b is negative 5.65, is 5.72. Now to get the angle, the formula is, which is tangent theta, which is, in which case it is opposite over adjacent, and there in the table it is y over x. So it is tangent equals negative 5.65 over 0.89, but we must transpose the tangent so that the theta would be left, which will make it an arctangent multiplied by the opposite and the adjacent. So the answer is negative 81.05. But the value of the angle is absolute. There's no, because there's no negative angle, so it is 81.05. There. Now we have our final answer. Now we just have to combine them. 5.72 newtons, 81.05 degrees south of east. That concludes today. I hope everyone learned something.